Hello everyone. So the channel that just doesn't seem to have a catchphrase is taking a lunchtime break on this glorious sunny 23 degrees day, and I'm popping up to Milton Keynes to the SuperBike Factory just to get away from the computer for an hour. Currently in Burton, and it's 29 minutes to Milton Keynes. So I thought I'd take you along for the ride, and maybe then grab a sandwich on the way home. At the moment I'm just sitting here, cameras, being sensible, 30 miles an hour. Of course, cruise control. It's keeping me out of trouble. Now, the advantage to cruise control is that with this bike, you just don't realise you're going too fast. It is so smooth. You have no idea that you're over the limit. And as you know, nowadays, speeding is, well, it's a great financial gain to the government. So let's not help them out there. I will give one little criticism, however, of the cruise control on the Speed Triple. It only kicks in, or you can only activate it in third gear at least 29 miles an hour. Now, with the onset of these ridiculous 20 mile an hour zones everywhere, well, this just doesn't cut the mustard for that. And try riding a 180 brake horsepower motorbike at 20 miles an hour. Doesn't like it. Guy for the group, Andy, with his Tiger 900, he's got cruise control, and he can set it at any speed. I think that's what he told me. Apologies if it's wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's right. Anyway, Triumph, please help us out. Allow us to activate cruise control at any speed and any gear. Now, I don't know a lot about Milton Keynes. However, my wife loves it because it's just seems to be some kind of a shopping paradise. Huge industrial areas, just massive shops, and I don't like shopping. It's hell. And I do believe I married the world's slowest shopper. But I'm sure most husbands say that. Something else I might do is a few videos of the gear I'm using. Is this the one? Yeah. Got various. Just let him speak. I've got various setups. One-piece leathers for the track. Two-piece leathers for kind of harder riding, road. I'm currently wearing a combination of my Alpenstar riding jeans and my Dainese jacket, RST Race Tech gloves, which I love, and I think it's TCX, Italian brand. Short riding boots, obviously for when riding with jeans. Today wearing the Shoei GT Air 2, which is my main riding helmet for the road. The advantages are flip down visor, integrated intercom, so nothing's sticking out. That's a brilliant piece of kit. And I have the Showy Spirit 3, which is more race orientated. Amazing helmet, but not quite as versatile as this, so that's for track and occasional shiny helmet days. Here we go. Not quite Bletchley code breaking down, of course, but here we are. SuperBike Factory. Put back here. Now, one thing I shall do, which is quite cool, as you can see, there is no under this seat. Where can you put a lock, a disc lock? Well, you can't really. You have to have a bag, or there's no space under that seat, so I've got this. And then quite basically, I have the road lock, which is probably one of the best things I've bought in a long time. So let's get that in. Oh, there we go. So that comes out there. Your plug, your butt plug. In that goes. And that's it. If you move it, it will lock into one of these holes there. And you can't go anywhere with the bike. There we go. Time to get back to the grind. That was a lovely little distraction. Okay. So not a fantastic journey to get there. No, just let Mr. Sat-Nav tell me where to go. However, have you seen how many bikes they have? It's just mental. Good prices? Yes, I will turn left onto 6 Grafton Street. What a selection. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little lunchtime distraction, and maybe watching the video distracted you slightly from the grind, or gave you some ideas of what to do during your lunch break. So the whole thing took about an hour and a bit. What with the ride up there, quick look round, looking at the bikes, looking at things I can't afford, and the ride back. So as you're coming along, I'll leave the camera running for a little ride home. Feel free to watch to the end. Like and subscribe, as the proper YouTubers say, and see you all again soon.